Hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Hedera Hashgraph HBAR token update. This is HBAR on the 1 hour on the screen, and this thing is playing out exactly like we want it to play out, guys. I know these pullbacks can be a little brutal. I know that for sure. I've been through it, and you wish these things would play out a lot faster than they do. I know these price moves seem like they take forever to play out, but this thing looks fine. No doubt in my mind. The other day when we made that video, this dark yellow line here, we marked that as the bottom, and we have not gone below that. All right, that we bounced perfectly there, and everything is looking fine with this thing. I'm gonna break it down and show you some wave counts in here and show you that everything is playing out just like we want it to. Okay, so let's get on with this here, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that so much. We got a great group of people in here. Just gave away 100 ADA last weekend, and all you have to do to enter a contest here is just be a subscriber. We're going to do a giveaway the last day of every month, and just a thank you to you guys for all the love and support. Got a great crew in here, so God bless all of you. Here we go. This was written by Investors Observer. Hedera, moderate volatility and rising Saturday. Is it time to cash out? It says here, Hedera has been relatively average in terms of volatility when compared to the other cryptos. So far Saturday, the payments other has added 0.03% to its price. It's given Hedera a 42 volatility rank, and it says here that the volatility gauge analyzes. This makes its score defined by recent trends rather than a bad day. HBAR's moderate volatility reading pairs with a low reading on the risk-reward gauge, meaning that the coin has moderate price swings and is well protected from price manipulation. Hedera price is favorably positioned going forward. This is important to hear, with support at 0.064283 cents and resistance at 0.065551. This leaves Hedera with room to run before facing selling pressures. Okay, now I'm sure they see exactly what I'm seeing in these charts here. Let's move on to the top 100 crypto bubbles. This is for the day, and if I put this on the hour, look at everything turning green out there. So this market is it's turning around here on the hourly. A lot of these RSIs on these things are just bottoming out, especially on the hourly. So I think tonight might be a pretty exciting night for the crypto market. And maybe tomorrow, Easter, this thing will pop off. Bitcoin's going to break that 29,000. And when it does, wow, I mean, these things are going to go tearing. So keep saying it's going to happen. Top gainers and top losers. I believe this is the top 100. I've never really counted these things, but this is from CoinMarketCap. I'll just go down through it. So if you want to freeze it and look at it, you can. We're almost at the bottom. There it is. But you can see out there, even the gainers. I mean, holy cow, we are the top gainers plus 8% today. You know, the top losers down 6.5. So not big numbers anywhere. That's for sure. Now let's dig into this HBAR thing. I want to calm some nerves out there, maybe a little bit here, guys. This thing looks fine. All right, we have impulses and we have pullbacks, and we have impulses and we have pullbacks, and I'm sure you know that. So let me get on with this and show you here. Okay, we had this move up right here, which was a 5-wave up. All right, I believe we're doing a bullish impulse, a 5-3-5-3-5 move. All right, then we had our let's see here, our ABC down. AB, and the bottom was right there, and that's what we hit. We haven't gone any further here. All right, this thing's just gone sideways. All right, and what this is, a 5-wave up. All right, let's put this on the screen, and then I will explain this real quick if you're not familiar with it. All right, 3, 4. I just got to fit it on the screen here. All right, so we're going to darken this up so that stands out more, and you can get an idea what we're what we're going for here. You know, this could pull down into here. It's hard to say where it'll pull down into. It's hard to say how far this will go, but your 3 wave is your impulse wave, okay? That's going to be your longest wave that you have in here, all right? Now inside this 3 wave, okay, we should blow past our price target here. You should have, starting down here, as soon as this thing heads up, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves inside this 3 wave, okay? We're going to make that smaller, and that's what this should end up looking like. It takes time to play out. You'll have impulses and pullbacks. Impulse, pullback, impulse. This is all just inside your bigger move of the 3 wave. This 1 wave is played out perfect. You should have 5 waves inside your 1 wave, and you should have 3 inside your pullback, and we do. We have 5 there, and then we have an ABC correction here for the pullback. Now this will have 5, and then up on this, let me get it here, up on this 4 wave pullback, you'll have your A, B, C correction inside there, and then when we move up to that last one, we will have 2, 3, 4. Hard to say where it'll go. I'm just trying to give you guys a whoops, sorry about that. Trying to give you an idea what this thing should end up looking like when it's done, and it could take a while to play out. It's hard to say how high or how low these things will go, but it's playing out perfectly. So I just want to calm some nerves. And then if we look at these RSIs, okay, we'll just go through them real quick, get away from that price chart. Let's see what's going on here. Now that would make sense that this thing has bottomed. We have a green candle on the 1 hour starting up, okay. The two is turning up. You can see that RSI is turning, it's curving. The 4 is starting to curve, which means it is spinning up. It has a green candle started. The 12, that looks perfect. We're at 335 and 274. That's where you want to see that blue higher or a bigger number than that orange. So that thing is looking great. Let's look at that 8. Yeah, it looks great. That's heading up. So we'll just keep an eye on these prices the rest of the day. I wanted to just break this down a little bit, guys, because I know everybody gets sick of hearing every day that we're heading up, and then we go sideways for a week. You know, it's just a little bit of patience. That's all. That's when the market frustrates you and you say, "Oh, I'm out of here. I'm selling." And I'm not giving you financial advice. Please, I'm not a financial advisor. Not at all. I'm just showing you what I see in the charts, and so far this is what is playing out with the charts. Okay, it's just doing it itself. I'm just showing you it, and that's it. So we'll keep an eye on this. I'm looking for an impulse up here real soon to start. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you and your family have a blessed Easter, and thank you so much for your time and patience with me making these videos. And have a fantastic holiday, everybody.